Like me, do you have a weakness for Reese's peanut butter cups but wish there was a healthier option? I'm excited to tell you that yes, there is. With only 5 simple ingredients, you can make my homemade healthy peanut butter cups. They're made gluten-free and vegan with your choice of chocolate chips, natural peanut butter, almond flour, maple syrup, and coconut oil. All you need is a mini muffin tray and/or some mini cupcake liners, and you are all set. These are the perfect way to satisfy your candy bar craving and feel great. I'm using my silicone mini muffin tray, and I love this because they just pop right out of the cups. And I've lined each of the cups with just a little mini paper baking cup. First, we'll melt our chocolate chips, and you can use any variety that you like. I've just put 1 1/4 cups into a microwave-safe bowl. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm gonna microwave this in 30-second intervals until it's melted and creamy. And I'll be taking it out after each of those intervals and giving it a quick stir. I melted my chocolate in 2 30-second intervals and then an additional 15-second interval. And now it is melted and creamy. Now we'll simply take our chocolate and pour it into the bottom of each of our cups. And we want to add about a teaspoon just until it can cover the whole bottom. Now that we have chocolate in all of our cups, we'll go ahead and just kind of tap our tray, and that's going to spread the chocolate out. And then we'll put our tray into the freezer while we make our peanut butter filling. To make our peanut butter filling, we're going to start with 1/3 cup natural peanut butter, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of almond flour, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now we'll just mix this together with a fork. And then we have this super delicious and simple peanut butter filling. You can go ahead and give it a little pinky test. And if you find you'd like it a tad sweeter, you could always add another teaspoon or 2 of maple syrup. Now we can set this aside and then go get our muffin tray out of the freezer. Now you could just use a spoon to get your peanut butter mixture into your muffin cups, but I have found just a small cookie scoop works really well. So I'm just gonna fill it up about halfway and then drop the peanut butter into the cup. It's as easy as it gets. Now that all of our cups are filled with the peanut mixture, we have 2 options for adding our chocolate on top. If you'd like that chocolate to go down all around the peanut butter so that when you peel off your paper, the peanut butter is enclosed in chocolate, then you'll want to leave your peanut butter kind of clumped together in the middle. Or if you'd like to see those layers of chocolate, then peanut butter, then chocolate when you peel off that paper, then you'll want that peanut butter to spread out inside of the cup. I'm gonna try both methods. So I went ahead and pulled out a couple, and then the ones that are remaining, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap my tray gently, and that's going to spread out the peanut butter. I'll put these guys back in, and now we simply pour on our top layer of chocolate. So we're just gonna pour about another teaspoon of chocolate on top of each cup. This is so #satisfying. And then once you have all your chocolate poured on top, go ahead and just give your tray a couple taps, and that will help spread out the chocolate. And then to get that delicious contrast between the sweet and the salty, you'll want to sprinkle on just a little bit of flaky sea salt on top of each cup before the chocolate hardens. This isn't necessary, but definitely takes these up a notch. And then you'll want to put these back in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour or until they set. Well, here's a tray I made earlier, and as you can see, it has already been vandalized. These are very hard to resist. So you could keep these in the fridge or the freezer. All you have to do is peel off the paper. Then you have to decide if this is going to be 1 bite or 2. I'm feeling ambitious, so I'm going for 1. That is so good. I can't even talk. That tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but honestly, I enjoy it even more because it's not overpoweringly sweet. I love that it's made with 5 clean, simple ingredients and without any high fructose corn syrup or processed white sugar. And they are very fun and satisfying to make. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe in the video description below, and it's on my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who loves peanut butter cups, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen next time.